Good morning, guys. What's going on? How y'all doing? So we're right at it. We're gonna start working on the Subi. So I went ahead and took the intercooler and the battery out. So that's for now. Next thing I did, but I pressure tested our cooling system to make sure that the head gasket wasn't blown, because I did find glitter. Alright, so pretty much I washed the radiator, try to get as much as the glitter out, but I think I might just upgrade the radiator. This thing looks a little toast. And then the intercooler, I went ahead and washed, cleaned up, cleaned the pipe. The inside was super dirty, but now we're gonna let them dry, and I'll probably paint this up to make it look nice and look for a new radiator, because yeah, I don't know if I want to run this. It's way too hot now, so I'm gonna chill, and then later in the evening we're gonna do the oil, check out the oil filter, flush the car itself and all that stuff. So I'll see you guys in the little. Alright, so a few days has passed now, and yeah, as you guys can see, I took this thing all apart. So I didn't record a lot of this stuff because it's relatively boring. It's not anything special. Pretty much taking everything apart. I took the timing covers off and checked the timing belt. It was brand new. I checked the spark plug, brand new. Pretty much I got a bunch of new stuff for this car, but this was just a tear down of it so we can inspect it. Injectors look relatively clean, don't need to be pulled. I think this car only ran 91 anyways. And yeah, but what do you guys think of the blue valve covers? Not valve covers, blue timing covers. I wish I could take the middle off too, but I don't want to fuck with the pulley. Anyways, yeah, this was it. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and painted the intercooler charge pipe, organized everything. Those are our old hoses. We got a brand new set of Trigga spec hoses. I gotta make a separate video. Picked up a Mishimoto radiator for it, and we're gonna run this thing stock. So we have the exhaust, flat back, intake got cleaned up, fresh coolant, and yeah, check this out. I took the cat off of the car and the exhaust, the Tome, and look at this. I found the black turbo housing for it, because I don't know if I showed you guys the original turbo, but yeah, check this. I found it in the cat, of course. My cats too, I had to pretty much clean them, and then I painted them heat silver, so underneath the car they're not like all ugly looking. Just stupid fun stuff. And yeah, we got our Tome too. So you guys remember how grimy the Tome was? I pretty much went ahead and cleaned it up. Now it looks brand new. Check that out. So sick. So yeah, I got all this stuff. Pretty much tear down is completed. I just wanted to make sure everything was good with the motor. Seems like I have a theory that this motor was swapped in sometime into this car, because everything's relatively new, even the engine mounts, which is fine for me. I relatively don't care as long as it's good and running. I did the compression test on the head for the head gasket. It was solid. Motor turns really easily, so I'm very excited to get this going. But yeah, that's pretty much is just to show you guys the process of when I buy a car, what I typically do before I start driving it. And yeah, we got our turbo too. Check out this little guy. It has a billet wheel inside, and it's pretty much a stock OEM replacement turbo, so I'm stoked. I don't have any crazy plans for this car, guys. I'm gonna keep it right now stock, just enjoy it, and then eventually I'm gonna start collecting all the nice parts for it, and either build this motor or buy a spare motor to build and swap it in. But yeah, that's in a little bit of time now, right now. Well, anyways, just leave. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode when we start slapping all the new stuff on.